was your favorite part of collaborating?
We don't have many chance to collaborate with other artists, so it was an honor.
Welcome back to Old K-pop Fan Reacts. I'm really not that old, but I'm also old. Does that make sense? Do you like My Cup? Water by Jen. Anyways, NewJeans, oh my god, OMG, just came out 12 hours ago, if I'm not mistaken. I'm excited. This group has been impressive to me. Production to overall vibe. NewJeans OMG official MV. Also, before I start, on my new channel, Dre Day. On my new channel, Dre Day, I will have a video of me interviewing TXT. Yeah, the TXT. I was nervous. This one was when Beomgyu was sick. This is before Lollapalooza. But be sure to check it out when it's out on my new channel. And yeah, enough talking. Let's get into this. NewJeans OMG official. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Dang, look at my drip though. Look at my drip. I look like a fool. Captions on. Let's get it. Let's go. So this is this the continuation of Ditto?
그럼 다음 분 얘기 들어볼까요?
Oh. Oh. Is this what? Bitch. Oh my god, that triggered me. Wait, what is that?
혼란스럽기만 했습니다. 내가 누구?
Okay, first I know this is probably serious, but I remember on Twitter, I think one of my friends said that said that she was dressed up like Steve Jobs. And you know what? It just hit now. It just hit now. Who was it? Lai? L-A-I? Nah, but the fact that Hani dressed up like Steve Jobs took me out. I get it now. I get where you're coming from. Alright, let's go back and let's take this more seriously.
혼란스럽기만 했습니다.
That's my alarm, by the way. That's what triggered me.
내가 누군지, 여기가 어딘지 알 수 없었어요.
Oh, she is lost.
남들이 이야기하는 나와 진짜 내가 헷갈리기 시작해.
Ooh, that part. I know I'm stopping a lot. I do. Is this an iPhone app? Okay, there's a lot happening right now. That part right here. What others say about me and the real me.
이야기하는 나와
T says
진짜
T.
내가 헷갈리기 시작했어요.
Interesting. Ooh, oh, she hit that so clean, so nice. That felt like if that was a. Let me hit. Ooh, that's satisfying. I need to smash things. I swear. I feel like I feel better as a person if I smash things.
저는 아이폰이었습니다.
What?
저는 당신을 위해 존재합니다.
Bit like, huh, girl? You an iPhone? Okay, let's start with that. Let's see. Why are you an iPhone? Like, oh my god. Enough stopping. Enough stopping.
겨우 그 답을 찾았어요.
Okay. This is a fire.
사실
That was actually an iPhone.
저는 아이폰이었습니다.
Yes. So this one you should say, yeah, okay.
저는 당신을
nod your
위해
head.
존재합니다.
I exist for you.
당신이 부르면
When you call,
언제
I run to you
어디라도
anywhere,
달려갈
anytime.
거예요.
Damn.
당신이 보고
I
싶어하는
will show
것을
you what
보여주고
you want to see.
당신을 위해
this is
말하.
so interesting already.
당신을 위해
I sing for you.
노래할 거예요.
Whoa.
당신이 제게
Let's
원하는
go.
것은 무엇일까요?
Let's go production.
제 머릿속은 항상 이 질문으로 가득합니다.
What?
그동안 제가 고민했던 것이 부끄러워졌습니다. 제가 누구인지는 이제 중요하지 않아요.
Ooh.
저는 당신을 위해 존재합니다.
I exist for you. Whoa.
그러니까 지금 네가 실이라는 얘기야?
네, 그렇습니다.
What the hell am I getting myself into? Listen, I already had enough trouble trying to figure out like theories and stuff from other groups. And now here we are again. Don't expect me to explain anything. I'm trying to find out with y'all. What? So are they crazy? Are they in a psychiatric help? What's
it's about you, baby. Only you.
Ooh, I already like the vibe. Okay.
내가 힘들 때, 울 것 같을 때.
Is she crazy?
기운도 이제 나지 않을 때. It's
날 걱정하니 It's you 어렵게 하니 말은 해도 돼 But what do you say 멀리든 언제든지 달려와
Are they crazy?
바쁜 척도 없이 난 나타나
Wait, who's going? This is the first time I see. Wait. Let me just watch it. We'll talk later. Who is he? Ooh. Hey. What is real? It's a vibe. Hey. Never. 24. You know. Ooh. Is it like Crazy in Love kind of thing? What the? Okay. That would freak me out. Is there an album out too? Because I'm down to just listen. Ooh, get it. Who is he? I'm just making sure that I didn't drink anything or take anything that made me hallucinate, you know what I'm saying? But alright, let's continue. Yes, let's go, Bear. Oh, she drew. What? Creepy. What is? Okay, so I was told on my Discord that Ditto and this might be connected. Okay, we got a cat. It has to be a connection, right? Everything was pointless. My feeling is boundless, I know. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Baby. You know what? It's cute, but then every time they go to the psychiatric ward, wherever this hospital, I get worried. But at the party, I'm like, yeah, and I'm like, oh shit, I forgot you in the psychiatric. Like this part right here, I'm like, they're having fun. Is he crazy too? Is there multi-universe? I feel like if I was ever in a crazy house or like some kind of like psychiatric ward, I'd dance in my clothes too. Like I dance in this, in like this. I envision myself like this. I'd be like oh my god. So it's like the same from like Ditto too. Like, what's real? Oh, that's so interesting. Damn it. I'm already into the lore. Is it? Is that done? It's not done yet. Oh, okay, thank God. There's 1 minute left. Oh, I'm sad that it's only 1 minute though. The fact that she asked, what are you girls talking about? I'm sorry, I'm breaking it down without even listening, watching the whole thing. Girls, what are you talking about? We're shooting a music video right now. And the fact that she says, aren't we? I was like, is this real? Is he just there? Cute. Is it like Crazy in Love type of? What? Wait, I feel like it's a more serious topic, no? Or am I just like overthinking it? What the hell? Oh, it just got dark, huh?
아니 우리는 뉴진스라니까.
Stop. Stop. Why are they looking back at highlights like they debuted for like 10 years? But it feels, but it's only been like kind of a year. I'm not sure. I forgot.
자, 이제 그만. 오늘은 이만하고 각자 병실로 돌아갈게요. 네.
Are these just patients? Oh, okay. You know what? I don't even know what reality is anymore. Fire. NewJeans production and just like their vibe has been killing it for me. I'm pretty sure this year and last year. I mean, it's just fresh. We're in 2023, by the way. Are we? I don't know. What's reality? What is reality, chat? What is reality? Shout out to everybody that worked on this. Look at the bear. Hey. Am I the only one uncomfortable with this music video's material? Just shows their faces and dance. Huh? Whoa.
가자.
What? How you going? It's all over again. It's literally like BTS lore all over again. It's just it's hype. Adore. Wait, there's so many questions. Let me look at the comments. Someone breaks it down kinda. Hani thinks she's an iPhone. Hayden thinks she's a cat. Hayden thinks she's a cat. Hayen, did I say it right? Thinks she's in a fairy tale, princess syndrome. Okay. Minji thinks she's a doctor. Danielle tries to explain to girls that they're all are really NewJeans, but no one believes her. They think she's making things up. But she even asked, like, aren't we? If Ditto was from a fan's perspective, from that theory of that being a fan's perspective, and this is from an idol's perspective, interesting. Very interesting. There's an index that says La Boom, Cinderella, Subway, The Little Match Girl, Snow White, Sleeping Beauty, The Revenant. Like the bear? Revenant bear? Is that literally why the bear's there? Because of the Revenant bear scene? That is a traumatizing scene, by the way. I don't know if you ever seen Revenant. It is with Leonardo DiCaprio. That's where he won his first Oscar, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And the bear itself is from that? Like Sleeping Beauty, but the bear from Revenant? I'm as confused as you all. I'm very impressed by NewJeans, really. I think their whole vibe, their whole concept, just the way that, especially when, I don't think they were supposed to debut when they were supposed to debut, but they had things prepared already, so they must have a lot already in the plan for, or unless they're making this up as they go, then props to y'all. But you know, Hive label, big hit, Adore, they really do be doing that thing. They are killing it with these groups, and it's a very impressive. And it makes me, I'm happy for like all these new groups that I'm into right now, because I didn't know if it wasn't for them, I don't know. Maybe it's keeping my interests, and I want more. I really want more of like the story. If you guys could help me, please figure this out. I usually do it live on Twitch, where, you know, y'all can help me out too. But right now I'm like, I'm kind of getting it, but at the same time not. So I do appreciate it, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to Dre Day. I'm gonna be having a TXT interview on there. It should be up, or it's about to be up on Dre Day. Go check it out. And yeah, hopefully one day I'll be able to interview NewJeans. One day, I don't know, whenever, maybe in the next like 5 years, hopefully. And I can't wait for more NewJeans. I can't wait. I have so much to Oh my god, I'm going live today, and I can't wait to talk about this with my chat. If you guys gonna, I'm gonna go live at 5 p.m. PST. We're gonna do K-pop and chill, which is basically a list of people. Y'all make a list, and I just react to whatever you want me to react to. That's why I love, and I push Twitch because I love talking to y'all in IRL, like real times. NewJeans, you killed it. I can't wait for more. Is there an album actually? Like, oh, they came out with Ditto. This is, oh my god. Oh, so it's just a single with Ditto on it. Okay. Anyways. Put in the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy JRE from Jrekml. Old K-pop fan reacts. It's just a joke, guys. It's just a joke, but still, you know. I do be getting old. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm gonna be live on Twitch at 5 p.m. PST. New video on the new channel Dre Day of TXT interview. Go check it out. So much is happening of 2023. Let's get it. Let's go. We out here. 2022 was a struggle. But 2023, let's do better. Let's go. Alright, y'all. Have a great 2023. See you guys in the next video, or Twitch stream, or TikTok, or Instagram, or whatever. And yeah, till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school.